This is verse 8 of the 20th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. We're in the midst of the parable of the workers in the vineyard. The end of the day has arrived, and now we have this rather surprising development, as it's spelled out here. So, opsios, this is neither be an adjective, and in that case it would be describing a noun as taking place in the evening. This is actually the noun form of it. Opsios, feminine noun, in the genitive here, so it goes along with genomenes, which is also in the genitive, and taken together it's a genitive absolute with the postpositive s. So evening having come would be the idea. Then ho Kyrios, the Lord, lege, says, third person singular, present active indicatives, the Lord, to ampelonos, the Lord of the vineyard, says, to indirect object. This is the dative singular masculine, epitropo, the overseer, the manager, the paymaster, kind of a broad word, but it represents someone who has an authority that's assigned by the owner here. So, evening having come, the Lord of the vineyard says to the paymaster, out to of him, genitive singular masculine. Kaleson, this is from kaleo, to call. This is the second person singular, aorist active imperative. So call, tous ergatos, call the workers. Erg, of course, the word that generally means work. These are workers, so call the workers. This, by the way, is declined like prophetes or mathetes, so it's ergates in the masculine singular nominative. Call the workers, kai apodos, from apodidomi, means to pay back. This is the imperative of this, so call and pay back, or compensate, autois, to them. Dative plural masculine, tone, misthon, the wages. So page one, the wage, and then args amenos, from archemai, I begin. This is the aorist middle participle in form, masculine singular nominative, so pay back the wage, beginning, and you begin epo, from, tone, eschaton, from the last of them, in the plural. So pay back the wages, starting with the ones who went out last. Haos, preposition that takes the genitive tone unto the first, the protone. So begin paying them, but start with the ones who have been out there the very last. Of course, all of this is setting up Jesus' remarkable statement that many of the last will be first. And this is precisely the point that he's emphasizing in the way he describes the situation here.